From hidden Niçois bistros to breezy seafront restaurants and everything in between. If you're going to Nice and wondering where to eat, let me show you.
Nice has a lot of restaurants, but finding those good ones, those outstanding ones, can be a bit of a challenge. So, as a food guide, I'm constantly trying out new restaurants and updating this list to be able to give the best possible food recommendations to my guests. For example, on your first day in Nice, I would always start right here. There's two main markets in Nice, but the local one is here. Marché de la Libération. And while there's a lot of great food you can find here, my favorite spot is hidden right in back. Right here is where you can find Nice's best pissaladière, which is the classic street food here in Nice. It's like the French cousin of pizza, but distinct in its very own way.
Moi, je veux bien une pissaladière. Jack, t'en veux une?
Here, they make 3 batches of pissaladière per day, 8, 10, and 11 a.m. People will come and line up to get theirs, so come early and get your piece while supplies last. Once they're gone, they're gone.
Ouh, la belle pichade. Ouais, c'est bien ça.
Before you leave, don't forget to pick up a pain bagnat. It's a portable sandwich version of the salade niçoise. The perfect snack to bring with you to the beach before heading to Vieux Nice for lunch.
T'as acheté des fruits? Oh, les jolies pêches.
J'ai acheté des olives, des abricots, du muscat.
Bien non.
And while you're there, I recommend you eat in Nice's oldest family-run institution, Acchiardo. At first glance, you'd think this was a tourist trap, but you'd be wrong. Because for 100 years, this restaurant has been the center point of the neighborhood and run by the Acchiardo family. Today, it's Jean-François, Raphaël, and Virginie Acchiardo running the show. They serve many great renditions of Niçois classics, but this time I was in the mood to try the filet the way their grandmother made it. And wow. It's nice to see how some restaurants maintain their soul despite their fame. So, would I come back here? Absolutely. Another safe bet I go back to time and time again is La Barque Bleue. And if you like fish and seafood, look no further.
C'est encore mieux comme ça. Ouais. Bim, wow. No?
It's an unpretentious fisherman's brasserie overlooking the harbor. But the reason I come back here is this. La marmite du pêcheur, their legendary seafood stew.
Non, je connais une petite auberge dans l'arrière-pays. À cette époque, nous serons probablement seuls. Je crois que c'est le refuge idéal.
A short uphill walk from Vieux Nice brings you to a stunning view from a lush garden. Visitors are welcome to enjoy Apéro at this hotel, housed in a former convent. But for the best setting, let me show you a place hidden underneath the Promenade des Anglais. Le Temps d'un été holds a special place in my heart. I bring people here often, as it never fails to work its French Riviera charm. Come here for a fresh Mediterranean meal, or just rent a beach chair for the afternoon, rosé in hand, listening to the waves.
Something that interests you?
But for the complete picture, my complete Nice food list drops straight into Google Maps. All these local secrets and more. The best pâtisseries, bistros, bars, restaurants, and even vineyards right at your fingertips. You can pull up instant directions or even follow my personal self-guided gastronomy walk that I've included. So wherever you are, you'll know which spot deserves your time. Link in the description. Now, time to keep my promise. How about a quick escapade to that sunny place for shady people? If you haven't squandered your complete life savings at the casino, here's a secret tip. There's a Cliffside restaurant hidden in back of the Monte Carlo Country Club. It's a favorite amongst local residents and offers quality food and service at fair prices by Monaco's measure, not to mention the setting. But if you rather stay in France, I don't blame you. So here's the new hot ticket in Nice's culinary scene. Peixes or Peixes. Not sure how we should pronounce it, but it means fish. And here, you'll get it at its very freshest. The Mediterranean vibes match the quality of the food.
Merci, monsieur.
It's a solid choice.
Vas-y, attaque. Oui, vas-y.
For a quality upscale French bistro, Franchin will exceed your expectations. Reserve a table indoors for the Art Deco dining room or on their terrace for people watching. And there's no shortage of exceptional choices on their menu. This is expertly crafted traditional French cuisine with a slight creative touch. Perfect for a special occasion. But if you're on a budget or simply craving the most traditional Niçois Apéro experience, you'll find it here at Barque, René, Socca. Socca is Nice's famous pancakes made from chickpea flour. You'll find them freshly baked in several places in Nice, but what distinguishes this institution is the fact that they operate with neighboring bars. It'll open your appetite for the most typical Niçois dinner. At Le Carlin, for all of Nice's traditional dishes, served in the cool shadows of old Nice's Baroque buildings, this is my pick. The food is simple but high quality. The perfect place to enjoy Nice's more rustic charm.
Va bene.
I hope my video helped you out, and remember, if you like my recommendations and want more, plus my personal tips on must-tries and instant on-the-spot directions, then check out my Google Maps list, linked in the description below. That being said, please let me know what your favorite spot is to eat when you're in Nice, and I'll see you on the next adventure.